Hello, I am Teacher Gabby, and today I'm going to show you around the classroom really quick. My student didn't come tonight, so I'm free to show you around the classroom. So here's a quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you, this is the Finish Class button. The Finish Class button is also the Start button, which you can start within 5 minutes of class. And I recommend doing a cover screen, which we can do a cover screen, but I'll explain that in another tutorial. And then we have the stars, which gives the student stars, which I can show you. So here's a star. There's no star, okay? I don't know how we take away stars now. We used to be able to take away stars. And then we have the thumbs up, okay? Thumbs up! Yay! Okay, so we have thumbs up. And then we have the info tab that tells you about the student, how many classes you've had with them, how many classes they've had, how long they've been with VIPKID, and then we have the class information of what the lesson is about. Okay, then we have the tips button. The tips button tells you a little bit about the slides. I like this slide because it is in the middle. They just updated it as of January 8th, 2019, and I sort of like this better because it's in the middle of the screen. And the tips button shows you this. It gives you ideas on how to do the activity and like this, like slice the pizza, slice. Yeah, you drag and drop the items off the screen and you reveal slices. So that's cool. It helps the students so they're not cheating. Okay, the next thing is the chat box over here on the other side of the screen. It's a chat box, which is really cool because you can type messages like, hello, I am Teacher Gabby, what is your name? Some kids like to talk before class. So, and then we have this envelope that tells you how many days you've used the PC app, how many lessons you've used on the PC app, AR stickers, gifts, etc., etc. It's really cool. So the next thing is we have the feedback button, which gives you the opportunity to do feedback for the student, and it shows you what you need to fill out. And you can save it now, which is a really awesome thing, so you can do it as class is happening. You also have the advice tab, which you can report bugs and provide advice on how to make the classroom better. We also have the exit, which I'm going to press in just a minute. We have a refresh button, and it refreshes the classroom. And then we have the lines, which is sort of the same. It just refreshes the classroom. And then I'm going to open up my camera now to show you the AR stickers. The AR stickers are really, really cool. So we have a few. This is the Happy New Year sticker. We have Christmas and holidays. We have Halloween. Let's see, we have Harry Potter. We have rabbits. We have reindeer. We have dinos. I love this dino. The students love him too. And then we have the goodbye dino sticker. So I really, really like this stuff, and it's been really awesome. And so I think I pressed the refresh button by accident. Oopsie. Okay. Anyways, but it let me back in the classroom. So that's been really cool. And so anyway, that's a little bit of a preview on what the classroom does. Oh, I forgot to mention the contact fireman button. It helps you so you can contact the fireman in case of some issues. So I definitely recommend that. And these buttons, you'll figure out how to use them, camera, on microphone, which I have it off, so you can hear me on another way. But this is really cool. So I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. And please give me a thumbs up or like my video or follow my blog. Okay, I'll see you all next time. Bye now.